Look at this complete mechanical disaster. Millions of mechanics are totally furious online. They put rubber timing belts in engine oil. This is called a wet timing belt design. Mechanics absolutely hate working on these motors. You see this in Ford and Stellantis cars. Whoever thought of this should be completely fired. Oil and rubber are normally terrible mechanical enemies. Standard rubber swells and dissolves in motor oil. Engineers used a special chemical coating on it, but that protective coating does not last forever. As the engine runs hot, the oil degrades. Chemical additives in the oil attack the rubber. The timing belt gets soft and shreds apart. The belt literally turns into a rubber soup. Tiny pieces of fiber fall into the oil. They drop directly down into the oil pan. This is where the real nightmare finally begins. The oil pump tries to suck up fluid, but rubber debris clogs the oil pickup screen. The engine starves for lubrication almost instantly now. Your engine oil pressure drops directly to zero. Metal parts grind together without any lubrication protection. The entire engine block seizes up completely solid. Or the broken belt makes the timing jump. Pistons smash directly into the delicate metal valves. This completely destroys the internal engine cylinder head. The mechanic repair bills are absolutely, totally massive. To prevent this, you must use exact oil. The wrong oil will destroy the belt faster. You also have to change the oil frequently. Never miss a single scheduled routine service interval. When it is time to replace the belt, the entire repair job is an absolute nightmare. You have to remove so many engine parts. It takes many hours of expensive mechanic labor. Some people say this is a planned defect. Others think it was meant to reduce friction. Reduced friction slightly improves your daily fuel economy. But the risk of total engine failure remains. We need standard steel timing chains back immediately. So I want to know what you think. Are the engineers who designed this completely stupid? Or are car owners just ignoring oil changes? Tell me your exact opinions in the comments.